In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best WSJY discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for WSJY discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailmenow.com, and open it. As you can see, we have right here some promo codes. In order to get a discount, you have to select the promo code that you want. For example, if you want to get this 50% discount, all you need to do right here is simply select show code. And this is the promo code. You can simply copy this promo code from right here. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this Noji website that also provides some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this one with 10% discount right here, which is also verified, all you have to do is select get this code. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 10% discount store-wide. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.